Hello everyone. In case you don't remember, I bought this. I bought a lot that has a lot of engines, rolling stock, track pieces, cranes, etc. All for $100. So today I'm going to be showing off the engines and rolling stock of each brand, which includes Thomas Wood Railway, Thomas Wood, die-cast items like Take Along, Take and Play, and Ertl, as well as Trackmaster, Fisher Price, Revolution, Motorized, and the push-long engines that are compatible right in this bag. But I'm gonna be doing all this separately. So this could be a 3-4 part. I don't know. I'll see what I can do. But first up is perhaps one of the most mass-produced wooden railway items ever, the 2003 Thomas. Just an ordinary Thomas, nothing special. Here we have the 2001 Gordon. Next to him is the 2003 Gordon. Happy Birthday Thomas, Ferdinand, Dash, Rocky, Billy, Arthur, 2001 Butch. The reason why I say 2001 is because this Butch has a one-way hook magnet, while the Butch that follows it has a two-way hook magnet. 2003 Salty, 2003 Lady, 2003 Diesel 10, Rosie, the Diesel, or D261, or Bowler, if you want to call him that, due to the incident he had with the bowler's hat, with the inspector's bowler's hat. Chinese Dragon, this is the 2005 reintroduction model. And here we have a few Thomas Wood: Young Bao, Flynn, Emily, and Rebecca. And behind them are 5 pieces of rolling stock: 2 express coaches, Flying Scotsman's coal tender, birthday box car that came with the birthday Thomas, and a milk barrel car that came with a milk barrel. And what's interesting about this piece is that there's no wording underneath it, whereas on this Thomas has wording. And I do believe that this is a later version, because it wouldn't have learning curves name until sometime in the late 2000s, early 2010s, something like that. The one I got just has the Thomas Happy Birthday Thomas, and I guess that's just it. The box car can open and close. And the milk barrel in this milk barrel car is removable. I think this came with the dairy pack. And I know this coal tender came with Flying Scotsman, and these 2 coaches were always sold together. And yep, here's Rocky. Rocky was introduced in season 6 as season 6? I mean season 10, sorry. But anyways, Rocky was introduced in season 10 as a replacement for the breakdown train. You know, the breakdown train that was introduced in season 1. Yeah, here's everyone's cough cough favorite character, Billy. Oi, Billy! Oh, Billy, will you just shut up? Stop telling me what to do, Thomas! You are a very, very bossy engine. Yeah, yeah, I understand why people hate Billy. He is so annoying, obnoxious, and therefore he got no punishment whatsoever. No wonder why he never returned after his debut appearance. These are the 2010 to 2012 Learning Curve slash Tomy, Dash, and Ferdinand. I think the Mattel versions are a little better, even though I kind of despise the logging locos. Here's Arthur, who was introduced in 2004 and I believe was discontinued in the early 2010s. Salty was introduced in 2002 and stayed with the range up until Thomas Wood's discontinuation. Here's the 2003 or 2006 7 Lady. Lady was first introduced in 2000 to coincide with the release of Thomas and the Magic Railroad, along with Diesel 10. It was discontinued sometime, and it was probably discontinued sometime later before being reintroduced. I don't know. I'm not too familiar with Lady, despite seeing the movie. What I do know is that she was reintroduced for a limited time in 2014. Yes, that version exists, and it is very hard to find. Here's Rosie, the Diesel, or D261, or Bola, 2005 reintroduction Chinese Dragon. I think the Chinese Dragon was discontinued probably a year after it was released. Gotta say it did not sell well. The Thomas Wood engines over here, I'm just glad that these are the 2019 versions and not the notorious 2018 versions. I'm just glad. But still, the range was received poorly and sales plummeted to the ground. But yeah, Thomas Wood did not stay very long. And yeah, that's it on the Wooden Railway items. Well, Wooden Railway and Thomas Wood. So for the next part, I'm going to be doing diecast, which includes a selection of Take-Along, Take-and-Play, and only one Ertl. So be sure to stay tuned for that.